Hi, I'm Alex Collins with Julia B. Fee Sotheby's. Today we're going to be taking a look at 7 White Plains Road in Bronxville, New York. Beautifully designed and constructed during an era of unparalleled craftsmanship and stonemasonry, this magnificent Tudor home features a robust slate roof and thick granite stone facade. At nearly 3/4 of an acre, this property offers you multiple areas for entertaining and room for the entire family to spread out. So let's get started. Connecting all the common areas of the house, this turreted entranceway makes a spectacular opening statement. Here you can see some of the architectural details that carry throughout the home, including beam ceilings and incredible stained glass windows. But let me show you my favorite detail. What an incredible stained glass peephole. You just don't get that with new construction. The living room is light, airy, and sophisticated. It has an amazing double-height wood beam ceiling, flooded with natural light from a floor-to-ceiling stained glass window. And you can cozy up here next to this beautiful hand-carved fireplace. But as nice as this is, what I truly love most about this home is how easily the rooms flow together. The elegant dining room is open to both the living room and the kitchen. With room enough for 8, it has French doors leading to one of the many private outdoor areas of the house. And the kitchen is one of my favorite rooms in the house. Modeled after a boulangerie, the kitchen is anchored with a traditional French oven and range. Rich walnut cabinets beautifully accent the stainless steel and subway tile finish. Spanning nearly the entire length of the house, the kitchen was designed to make sure that anyone that wanted to could contribute. Just imagine the holidays that you could have here. With 4 bedrooms upstairs, the primary bedroom is located down the hall. It's light and airy, with windows on 3 sides, filled with natural light, but also allows you to oversee the manicured grounds. And outside, there's an outdoor dining area, full-length basketball court, and fire pit. I hope you've seen that this 1934 craftsman masterpiece has been fully renovated to meet all of today's modern sensibilities. And just 15 minutes from Midtown Manhattan, this is truly a unique property. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a tour with me today, and I hope to see you soon.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?